Today, me and my family are going to the supermarket.
Emma, look. The fridge is empty.
Mom, is there anything to eat?
No, son. I will ask Mom to make something.
Okay, I shall give you some fruits now. We need to go shopping. Okay, Tom, you can have this apple now. Then we go shopping.
Thanks, Mom. Are we going to the supermarket?
Yes.
Okay.
So now you have the energy to go out shopping with me. The fridge is absolutely empty. We need to buy a lot of things. Okay, children, let's go now before you get hungry again.
Let's go now. Everyone okay?
Just buy what you actually need. Don't buy anything else.
All right, let's see what we need.
Let's get some fresh vegetables first.
And snacks! Yay!
Yes, take that. It looks good.
Yay, broccoli! Dad, please can you buy this for me? I love this chocolate.
Oh, you do? Let's see.
He's very persuasive.
Mom, can you buy this toy for me, please? It is so good.
Of course, sweetie, it looks wonderful.
Look, there is 50% off on this. It looks like a good deal. I really needed this. Let's buy it. Okay, we buy the rice now. What else do we need?
Okay, I need some milk and fruits.
How many do you need?
One more should be fine.
Is this enough?
Tom likes apples. Let's buy some. Hi, Lily. How are you? I haven't seen you in so long. Hi, I'm doing great, thank you. It's so good to see you.
After such a long time. How is everything?
Are you not buying anything? Yes, I want to, but everything is so expensive now. I know, right? It's getting harder. Yes, that's why I keep a strict budget. It's important for us.
That's so smart.
So I buy the things I actually need. That's true, but it is very difficult and slow.
Exactly.
How is your husband? Has he come too?
He's buying some fish. Okay.
Okay, Lily, nice meeting you. Bye, see you soon. Okay, dear. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, let me check the list. Oh no, I forgot to buy chicken.
I need this for tomorrow.
Let's buy this chicken. It looks fresh. Oh, I met Lucy here after such a long time.
That's great. How is she?
She is fine. Why did you take that doll?
Mom, I want it. Can you buy it for me?
No, dear. You have so many dolls at home.
Okay, then I shall take it next time.
Did you buy the iPad?
No. I think I shall buy it next time.
Okay, now I have all the things I wanted on my shopping list. Let me pay for it now. Let me check the bill. Perfect. It's in my budget.
Okay, finished shopping for today. Just bought what we needed.
So we did smart shopping today.
Yes, that was great. So now we go home and cook our dinner.
Dad, what are we going to cook?
It's a surprise.
Okay, so we have everything for this week. Let me keep it in the fridge. Let me arrange everything properly.
Okay, children, food is ready.
Dad, this food is delicious.
Thanks, dear.
Dad cooks tasty food. Okay, bedtime now.
Good night, children. Sleep well.